If you're looking to make money online, then you have come to the right place. Online money making can be a tricky thing to do. Watch this video to learn about one of the best ways to make money online without any difficulties. I'll show you an outstanding website that can assist you to make a lot of money online and can earn up to $1,000 in a single day with no prior knowledge or expertise. And it is absolutely free and available globally. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make $1,000 day. Also, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I am always sharing new amazing and effective free methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below and tell me from which country you are watching this video so I can create specific videos for your region. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Now, let's jump to our today video. First, I'd like you to go to Amazon and search for Kindle books. Many people are earning a lot of money using this method. There is no requirement for prior experience or investment. All you have to do is copy and paste and use a done-for-you template, which I'll show you in today's video. But now the main question is, what are Amazon Kindle books? Amazon Kindle Books, or Amazon KDP, is an exclusive program offered by Amazon that allows people to offer their books for sale exclusively on Amazon. It was created in 2010 as a way for independent authors to sell their books without having to worry about competing with traditional publishers or brick-and-mortar stores. It also allowed them to sell their work at a higher price than if they were sold elsewhere. The program is totally free and it offers exclusive benefits. Some of these benefits include a free promotion, free ebook conversion, and more. It is important to note that Amazon does not allow you to sell your book on their platform if it was published elsewhere before. I know the question which blows your mind now. How I will publish an ebook, and I don't have any knowledge of that, right? Let me tell you, publishing an ebook is not as difficult as it seems. It doesn't have to be a complicated process and can be done without any prior experience in the publishing industry. All you have to do is copy and paste and use a done-for-you template. Now, I want you to go to Canva. That website is where many people are creating professional ebooks and selling them for a lot of money. And this only in 3 simple steps. First step, choose from a done-for-you template that will save you time and effort. Step 2, edit whatever you want. For example, you can change the text, font size, or color. You can change whatever you want. Step 3, download and start publishing on Amazon and making a lot of money online starting today. It's as simple as that, and you can do it on your phone or on your computer, and you don't need any investment at all to do this. Tips to supercharge your book sales on Amazon. With these tips, you will be able to sell more books on Amazon and increase your profits. 1. Create a killer book description. 2. Use the right keywords. 3. Use images to sell your book. 4. Choose the best price for your book. What are the best ways to promote an ebook and reach readers? There are a lot of ways to promote your book. Here are some of the most popular marketing techniques for your book. 1. Promote on social media platforms. This is one of the best ways to reach readers as it is cheap and effective. You can use different promotional strategies such as advertising, contests, and giveaways. 2. Create a blog. Blogging is also an effective way to promote your book because it allows you to build a community around your work and share valuable information with readers that they might find helpful in their day-to-day lives. 3. Write guest posts. Guest posting gives you the opportunity to share valuable information about your work with other bloggers who might be interested in what you have to say or what they can learn from you as a writer or author. Now, it is a time of the amazing method I told you about at the beginning of this video. Imagine what it would be like to wake up and see $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each and every day. Everything from the initial steps of starting making money online to the best techniques for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Click the below link and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching till the end. Now if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.